Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 28th of February, 2024. Benchmark indices ended lower on February 28 with Nifty below 22,000 amid selling across the sectors. At close, the Sensex was down 790.34 points, or 1.08% at 72,304.88, and the Nifty was down 247.10 points, or 1.11% at 21,951.20. Biggest losers on the Nifty included Power Grid Corporation, Apollo Hospitals, Eicher Motors, Maruti Suzuki, while gainers were HUL, Infosys, TCS and Bharti Airtel. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Z Entertainment Enterprises fell more than 5% on February 28, a day after the media company said it had set up a panel to examine the allegations leveled against the company, its promoters, and key managerial personnel by regulatory bodies. Independent investigation committee would be headed by Justice, retired, Satish Chandra. The committee will take the necessary measures to delve into the facts of the allegations, with the sole interest to protect the rights of the company's shareholders and other stakeholders, Z said in a release. DREAMFOLKS Services shares surged 5% on February 28 after domestic brokerage firm Motilal Oswal initiated coverage on the airport services aggregator with a buy call. The brokerage has a target price of 650 rupees on the share, an upside of 34% from the current market price. DFS has more than a 75% volume market share in domestic airport lounges, and is the only player with 100% coverage of airport lounges, the report said. DFS is the go-to partner for banks seeking to provide complimentary access to paid airport services lounge, and this is a highly profitable and asset-light model, noted Motilal Oswal. GET&D India share price was locked at 5% upper circuit in the opening trade on February 28 after the company bagged an order worth 370 rupees crore from Power Grid Corporation of India. There were pending buy orders of 3,678 shares, with no sellers available. Has secured orders worth approximately 370 rupees crores from Power Grid Corporation of India, PGCIL, for the supply of 765 kV shunt reactors for PGCIL's various transmission system projects in India, the company said in exchange filing. Vodafone Idea shares fell as much as 14% on February 28, even after the board of directors of the cash-strapped telecom operator decided to raise funds to the tune of 45,000 rupees crore. Brokerages remained cautious, saying that the fundraising alone might not be enough to rescue the company, as it misses the 5G bus. Vodafone Idea Limited will not be fully out of the woods, in our view, said Nomura, which retained its reduce call on the stock, with a target price of 6.5 rupees. Vaswani Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 55.05 points with a change of 19.93% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.819 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 43.73, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.78. Jindal Worldwide Limited in daily time frame is trading around 414 points with a change of 13.81%, and is trading with a net volume of around 9.276 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 368.79, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.88. Poda Pigments Limited in daily time frame is trading around 399 points with a change of 12.05% and is trading with a net volume of around 450.803 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 368.75, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 67.46. For the stock recommendation we have, Hindustan Copper Limited looks good and can be bought at 254 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 247 rupees and a target of 268 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.